Templar MMA-1201 welding machine. Your solution for fast, efficient, and reliable welding. Designed for welding beginners, MMA-1201 is easy to operate and portable. Features a scientific heat dissipation design that ensuring the performance. Adopting the advanced IGBT technology and the classic digital display and 3-knob adjustment design. Mini and portable, which is perfect for small-scale welding tasks at home or in the workshop. With quick arc ignition and anti-stick technology, say goodbye to frustrating starts and stuck electrodes. The arc force feature ensures smooth welding even on uneven surfaces. Support 1.6 divided by 2.0 divided by 3.2 mm welding rods to meet different welding needs. We support OEM and ODM services. Templar with innovative welding machine solutions built for your target market.